MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Have you ever felt like your car is pulling to one side or your steering wheel is shaking like it had too much coffee? That's your car trying to tell you something, and it's not just being dramatic. Today we're diving into 3 key players in your tire's performance: wheel alignment, tire rotation, and wheel balancing. That keeps you rolling smooth and straight. A wheel alignment isn't just about your wheels pointing forward. It's about the angles your tires hit the road. The camber and caster, and the toe. When these are off, your car might pull to one side, your tires wear unevenly, or your steering feels off center. Think of it like your spine. If you're out of alignment, the rest of your body starts compensating and wearing down. Wheel alignment machines take your car through a full body posture check, like a chiropractor, but for your suspension. In just minutes, the system scans and shows exactly where you're off. A properly aligned car means better handling, longer tire life, and safer driving. If you hit a pothole or a curb, get it checked. That one bump can throw off your entire alignment. Now, tires naturally don't wear evenly. The front tires, well, they handle your turning, and the back tires, they follow. And depending on whether your car is front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive, each tire has a different job. Rotating your tires, moving them from front to back and side to side, evens out wear and extends tire life. It also gives us a chance to inspect your tires, your suspension, your front end, and catch early signs of damage. A general rule is to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles or at every oil change. It's simple, it's quick, and it saves you money. Skipping tire rotation can cost you up to 25% of your tire life. That's like buying 4 pairs of shoes and only wearing 2 of them. Now let's talk about wheel balancing, because just like you wouldn't run a marathon in wobbly shoes, you don't want to drive on tires that are out of balance. Every tire and wheel has tiny weight differences, even when brand new. Balancing evens out by adding small weights so the tire spins smoothly. Without it, you'll feel vibrations, your steering may shimmy, and your tires can wear out fast. Feeling vibrations at 60 to 70 miles per hour could be a balancing issue. Get it checked before it damages your suspension. So remember, wheel alignments keep you straight and steady, rotation keeps your tread even, and wheel balancing keeps your ride smooth and your parts happy, and that keeps money in your pocket. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.